888. Wipe your tears. Divine abundance is rising. The universe is shaking the walls of your old story. 888. The sacred code of infinite abundance demands you release the weight of what was and stand ready for what's coming. Wipe your tears. These aren't signs of defeat. They're rainwatering the seeds of your comeback. The financial chains, the self-doubt, the struggle, they're breaking now. Take bold action, not from fear, but from faith. Apply for the job. Pitch the idea. Invest in your gift. The moment you move, the cosmos moves with you, opening doors, shifting tides, aligning mentors. Expect change like a storm expects lightning, sudden, electrifying, transformative. Your bank account, your opportunities, your confidence, they're all upgrading to match your divine worth. 888 doesn't whisper, it roars. Your lack ends here. The miracle isn't coming. It's already on your doorstep. Answer with courage.